Windchill Web Parts for SharePoint is a set of capabilities in the SharePoint environment that allows you to access Windchill data from that environment. The main features is the access to the Windchill data. It's a set of web parts where I can do searches. I can generate key business reports and show them in my SharePoint environment. I can look at my assignments that are due for me or for others in the team. I can look at documents and parts and structures and all those kind of things from my SharePoint environment. The biggest benefit of this is productivity. Okay, and so it helps your productivity because you're working in a familiar environment. You're not having to switch gears going from one user interface to another user interface. You don't have to rely on experts in one kind of group to go get data for you and that sort of thing. So being that you become very familiar with the SharePoint environment, how to tune this, you put all the data at your fingertips, so I don't have to go hunting down data, it's always there for me. I can just do a search, just like you would go to Google or Bing and do a search. From my SharePoint environment, I do a search and I find all the relevant documents that exist either in Windchill, my MRP, my SharePoint environment, and I find all the people associated with all those artifacts. So if I need to talk to somebody about that, it's really at my fingertips to go find that information. Well, another example is the dashboards. Okay, that's my favorite type of thing to do on that. Is that so I have one-stop shopping. I have my pages set up where I can actually see what's going on, what's the pending work on an R&D project. I can also see what are the hot issues that have cropped up on the manufacturing line. I can look at my ERP information and my sales information all from one page by collecting these web parts. There's another capability that we have with the Windchill web parts is it's really a type of aggregation. I've been talking about how in a web page I can aggregate data from different line of business systems and get one nice view of it. But I can also say that I have a document library that I'm working on in SharePoint, a PowerPoint slide or something. I can join properties from my ERP system, from my Windchill system that are all related. So I can have attributes that are my SharePoint attributes, attributes that are my design artifact attributes, and things that are my sales and order quantity stuff, all in one view. So I can get a list of information and I don't have to go getting different pieces of information in different systems. So it's a very, very powerful tool to allow me to aggregate data together so I can find it in one place. For more information on Windchill Web Parts for SharePoint, go to the product pages on ptc.com.